Hello all, this is Joshua Sagona. You haven't heard from me in a while, which is a bad thing, but I wanted to make a video out because I am going to leave for Korea in 2 days now, from the day I record this, and I wanted to show you guys at least what I have before I leave so that I could give you guys some hope, because I haven't posted anything recently, which means I've either halted in development or just have been struggling. And it is the latter. I have been struggling. So anyways, I present to you a subversion of version 2 called Manufactoria DS version 2A. It is not complete yet, and I still have tons to do, but here is the starting screen you get for the bottom. Now, as you can see, this is a little robo toaster there, and these are all doors. That one's open just because I'm still testing stuff, but if I press the Robo Toaster, up here I get a description in the right font. It says Robo Toast. You put bread in, with a click heat begins to build, then fresh toast, Robo Toast, $49.99. Press again to start this level. So I just press again, and I go to this screen, as you can see you're familiar with. Now as you notice, I added writers, but obviously you don't need writers, and eventually I'll remove them for level 1. Including the branches, because you don't even need it. Actually, if you look on the top screen, I have some debugging info right now because I'm still working on it, but it says accept robots from the entrance top to the exit bottom. And then you see there's a parts remaining. Now the reason why there's a parts remaining is because the DS has a limit of 128 sprites available. I'm going to use 10 of those sprites to display the buttons, and the other 118 will be used for parts. So technically you can only make 118 parts because of DS limitations, but that should be enough to solve pretty much any puzzle in the game itself. If you notice, I still don't have a, what do you call it, I still don't have just clicking down for conveyors, so you still have to drag them off. Eventually I'll fix that, but this one you just have to accept by going from the entrance to the exit. So we press play, it starts running through the robot. It just generated random stuff. And then we unlocked level 2. It says you beat this level and unlocked new ones. So as you can see, next we have Robo Coffee, I think. Yeah, Robo Coffee. And there's a description. It says press again to start the next level, or the level. As you can see, now the accept is different. Only robots that start with blue. So, as you know, you would just make it kind of like so. Up. As you can see, dragging branches is, oh, what happened there? Well, I'm still doing some testing with the sprites because it's been, you see, that's why I called this a development version, because it's still being quite bad. I mean, I haven't worked out all the bugs yet, so it's definitely not bug-free yet. As you can see, there's code, and the robot is reading either to be accepted or not accepted. Let me just show you. If you were to just press play, it would say, sorry, this robot was supposed to be accepted. Check your machine and try again. So obviously you just check your machine and try again, obviously. And if you gave the wrong kind of input, or if you rejected it when it was supposed to be accepted, then obviously it would say something like that too. So this is the back button. I added a back button. So basically all the levels are pretty much the same. You just go through them, you see the description, you press click here to start the level, and so on. I've only gone up to the level after this, which is, I believe, what is after this? Well, it's something. But anyways, I'm still working on RC cars, because RC cars is the first one where you have to use writers, output, the input, but with the first symbol moved to the end. I've been having trouble with the output coding, but I plan to work on that eventually, either when I return or while I'm at Korea, if I have some time. So this level still doesn't work, I'm sorry to say. So I want to let you guys know I've been making progress, but I've been having quite a bit of trouble with the coding. But hopefully everything will work out, and you know, eventually I'll be able to make this game into something awesome. I mean, I've already made 4 levels. I just need to get outputs done, and then it's just a matter of making levels and adding the rest of the branches. Oh, and the writers do work. I want to show you that real quick, just for fun. Press that. Okay. Drag a bread. Conveyor. Go. Okay. Yeah, it's still glitchy. Lots of glitches to fix. So with the writers, you just go ahead and, oh, not the delete button. You just go ahead and add them like you would normally. Use the directional arrows to change their direction. And this is just going to read them and put them at the end, obviously. So we play, it's going to go through, it's going to read, write, and so on. So it works. It's cool. So I still have a lot to do with this DS version. I have released it on the website, but I still have a lot to do, obviously. I mean, I'm nowhere close to done, and I'm not going to be done. I'm just going to be at Korea, so I'm probably going to enjoy myself for the month I'll be there. So you may not hear from me for a while, so this might be the last time you'll even see any updates for quite a while, and I'm sorry to say that. At least I got something to show you guys, you know. I wasn't just sitting around doing nothing. I've been trying to make all this work, make it as awesome as possible. Speed up, just for fun. So yeah, yeah, I guess this is pretty much it for now. I'll see you guys later, and wish me luck.